Today, Diplodata is talking about Plotly and Dash Enterprise. Plotly is a data visualization company, and they launched in October 2021 Dash Enterprise 5. And this is a platform for building, deploying, hyperscaling artificial intelligence application. If you go to the Plotly website, you have to go to this section Dash Open Source, and you will see the gallery of few Dash application, and also that you can use Dash with Python, R, Julia, Jupyter, and you can access to the gallery, and you will see that Dash is already used by researchers, by data scientists, by machine learning, deep learning learners to visualize the performance of their algorithm, of their model. And I can show you, for example, the visualization, the inference in a web navigator of DETR detection app. So this app is built under a DTR. It's a transformer used to make segmentation, visual object detection. And the researcher writes this blog, and at the end of this blog, he uses Plotly, he uses Dash Enterprise in order to present a live demo of his model. And you can use it directly inside your web browser. You can put an image, the URL of this image, you run DETR, and you have the detection of the penguins, and you see that there is box for each penguin, and the confidence of the prediction about the fact that a penguin is a bird. Okay, so you can use Dash in order to present the result, the inference of a transformer dedicated to object detection. You can also, and Dash Enterprise is used for the self-driving car, and for instance, the visualization of the result of YOLO. YOLO is another algorithm used in order to detect the object inside a picture. And you can see this application made with Dash by Lyft. Lyft is competitors of Uber. And you can see that it is a real web application with checkbox, with button, with slider, with select box. And you can switch from LiDAR position or camera position, and there is a lot of interactivity in this web application. And you can see the direct inference of all the algorithms used to create this web application. You can also use Dash Enterprise in order to visualize the performance of a machine learning model, such as SVM, Support Vector Machine. And you can see that it is a web app. You have select box, you have slider, and you can use it in order to see the performance of your model with this new selection. You can visualize directly the confusion matrix, the ROG curve, and to select the right parameter of this model to obtain the better performance. And you can use also Dash to visualize a lot of 3D image in the domain of healthcare or drug discovery. Dash is very easy to use, to implement. Pip install Dash, and after you can deploy Dash interface using this code. It's like HTML. You know, you can implement HTML label and also a drop down to see the different options of this select box and you implement this code in order to create drop-down, to create radio items, to create multi-select drop-down. And you have a lot of examples of this code. You have also Dash components. You can use it inside your own code because Dash is an open source platform and there is a lot of developers that allow you to use their components. And if you are interested, you can also use Dash with Bootstrap. This will allow you to create web app with responsive design. You can visualize your app on mobile, on tablet, on computer. If you want to know more, to learn Dash, Plotly, how to use it, how to create a web application, you have to go on this YouTube channel, Charming Data, and you have also a Git for this channel, Charming Data, and you will find all the code, a lot of examples of Dash application. That's all for this discovery of Dash. All the links are in the description of this video. Happy machine learning!